I think Christmas is the perfect time to make animation. This is why on Christmas Eve we are starting a new series of animated video tutorials on how to make cartoons. For our meetings to be cozier and more exciting, we will invite interesting guests which will help us make cartoons. And today we will make dancing chickens, because Year of Rooster is coming. We will make our cartoons in the Adobe After Effects. And do not be afraid, even if you are completely unfamiliar with this program, because we have a cartoon experts who in an easy and accessible way will tell you about the basic principles of working in After Effects. If After Effects is at least a little familiar to you, you can go directly to the second part of our lesson, where we will animate dancing chickens. And so, let me give the floor to our first expert.
Hello everybody, I am Eric Cartman, the famous scientist and researcher, and today I'm going to tell you how to make cartoons.